guys, so right now I will be rebuilding the Titanic. Well, it's gonna take a while by building the whole structure of the Titanic. I better build it. Yup, it's not gonna be much easy to you. Yeah, not so easy. Yay, tickets. Now I can play Tiny Little Mode. And even, no. No, I will be building the Titanic. But I will risk it for my life because I only have 12 golds and it will take the cost of 5 golds to get more woods. So, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna build the Titanic, its structure back. Yup. Cannot wait to see it when it's done. Even when that new update is here, I can even put a jail in the Titanic. Okay, we're in here. Maybe the boarding is over here. Yup, like I just started, it's, no, hopefully it's private. Okay, there. That's how you do it, okay. Maybe this time it will be better. Okay. I also changed my clan. It also is a top clan. There's some jewelries. After this video, I will be showing you guys my new clan because my friend, well, he's also a YouTuber, changed his clan and I can't find his clan. Then I as well change a clan but not into his clan. So it's called 999. There's some trophies there and some awards by getting the most top. Okay. Yeah. So he shouldn't change a clan. I finders, keepers, losers, sweepers. So that clan is also full. So my friend wouldn't join. And sadly to know, he cannot. Yup. Cannot much join. Need to also buy more woods. This is embarrassing. Okay. I will also, wow. This is, okay. I think this is where it should be. Nope, nah. I think it's this way. Yup. Yes. And bam. I need to put a little bit more. Okay, there. I need to put... Nope. Nah, wait. Okay. Maybe I can put the respawn point. Where should I put the respawn point? Okay, I will buy as well more woods. Yup. I just wasted gears for it. Now I need to... I think the respawn point should be over here. Yup. It will be not much so easy. Okay, I will put another structure. Okay, just keep going, keep going. Am I almost there? I think so. There. I think it's perfect. Yup. Now I need to build the whole structure of this ship. I need to build the wall down here. Oh yeah, I remembered. I'm not gonna put jail bars. Well, yeah. Well, guys, this is a little different. Well, yeah, it should be different right now. Maybe I should put this instead. Jail bars. Yeah, I have the greatest ideas. Okay. I cannot just believe I'm rebuilding the Titanic. Yup. Probably also get more woods. Oh well. I should also change the name into 999 Clan. Since I changed clan, I need to put a door. Yup, this is my... Wait, is this the one I used? No, wait, is this the one? I think so. Yup, I think so. And yeah, I'm rebuilding the Titanic. How is this even possible, rebuilding the Titanic? This will take forever if I work faster and don't run out of much woods as possible. I need to also put some checkpoints. Too long. I even clean this thing up. And I should also put a flag. Well, the walls up there isn't long enough to put flags. And there, I need to just put this and bam, and bam, and bam. Like I just did before. Because why did I just restore my account? Yeah. And bam, bam, boom, boom, boom. I also kind of miss. Also guys, in other videos, I will make a Roblox video. You did not see me play that well. You will see it. Uh-oh. There's one problem. I'm running out of woods. This is crazy. Yup, I need to also build some parts and build my whole thing. This will take like forever, man. Well, I'm building the thing. Hopefully this will be good because when I last built the Titanic, yeah, I need to build this faster than fast. Yup. Okay, walls. Now, why does this creative game has to run out some woods? Okay, I'm struggling, and wall. Okay. There. Come on. No, I'm running out of woods. Not good. It's not good. Oh yeah, I bet I still have enough golds for another batch. I think so. Well, if I don't have enough golds, I need to play Rocket Royale and get some woods. Yup, that's what am I gonna do. Okay, I have 30 woods. Wow, this ship is so long. This is like taking forever. I need to also burst my way out. Yup, I have 17, which is gonna take longer than I thought. Uh-huh. Oh well, this will take a while. Alright guys, I just realized I was just such an almost an idiot. I was almost getting there. Wow. I just touched here and I need to just put a wall. Is this right? Yup, I think so. And there, and there. It's the same build that I just built before. Wait, is this right? I need to build up camera mode. Is this right? Well, not quite right, guys. Not quite right. Okay, we need to work harder to really solve this. Oh well, yep. I have to cleaning to do. 10 out of 10 guys, 10 out of 10. This is getting so better. I was getting so frustrated. There's something different. And I need to change also the respawn point. Yeah. This is a 10 out of 10. Wow, this is like a ship right now. Yo guys, I think I will be back to rebuilding the Titanic. Yup, and I'm slow connection again. Well, there is some tricks like that. Respawning, I need to erase this stair. Need also to put some, nope, some boilers. Well, I could put it to jail, but I need it to be, oh, I know, I think I can put it into a, there it is, and boom. Wait, no, I think I need to put this. I will put the jail. I want to be it to be same. Okay, it's a 10 out of 10 right now. Bam. And yeah, it's like turning into mansion right now. Okay. Uh-huh. Bam. And there. And there. And there. There will be also parts, guys. And there. This is nice, like my old ship, but a little, wait. Where is the entrance? I think it's over here. Wait, what? It's up here? Oh, I think I can put a secret entrance to the boilers. Wait a second, guys. Putting a door over here and bam. Like that. And this is must be the access way to go up here. Nice. I need to also double up my ship. And also guys, they also fixed the glitch. They also fixed the glitch. Wait a second. I think I need to put the respawn point over here. Nope, it's a 10 out of 10. And erasing. Well, in case I need to build it back. And it's like getting so better. It's getting so better right now. I will also put an upstairs area up here. Yeah. It's like upstairs. This might take a while, yeah. This is rebuilding the Titanic part 1. Yup. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, and hit like and subscribe, and goodbye.